Okay, so we're going to be changing the screen on a Dell Inspiron N5110. So first thing you need to do, as with any laptop, is make sure that the battery has been removed. This one doesn't want to cooperate. Any laptop, take out the battery. So when you open the lid, the plastic bezel, all you do is if you just push, you should be able to hear it pop. Be careful not to break it, but you can hear the bezel just snaps off coming all the way around. Bezel comes off. So here's the display. So the display is actually retained in the bracket on the side of the screen. The screws, though, are relatively inaccessible. So what you need to do is there's two screws here at the top. You need to remove these first. So with those two screws removed, you can actually lean the screen forward a bit. You can see right along the side here, you can now gain access to these screws. So one that fell back there. Have to retrieve that. Here's the other one. So you can see this side's already coming off. Keep track of where the screws are. They are different for each side. So the ones that screw in at the top here do not fit along the side of the screen. Okay, so after you've got it loose, you can just pull it forward, and the screen comes out from the bracket on either side. So it already popped out, but there's the one side, here's the other side. What you'll notice is the webcam cable is actually taped to the back of the monitor. So be diligent with that and make sure you remove the little connector. You can see it right here. Now the screen will lay flat, allowing you to remove the sticky back here. And here is the screw that we dropped earlier. Take that out. And then the 40-pin cable right here. It is glued down a little bit. Just be very careful. Don't break the connector. There is a little piece of tape on the front side as well that you need to remove. And using it, you can pull the 40-pin connector out of the old display. So there's the old display. Over here we have our new one. See, here's our new one. It still has the protector on it. Leave the protector on the screen as you're hooking everything up, just to avoid damaging your nice new pretty screen. Lift up the camera cable, lay it flat, and reassemble.